Think your bike rides are already awesome? Think again. These 10 gadgets will totally revolutionize the way you ride, and you can snag them all right now. The Photon glow in the dark, stealth e-bike. Picture this. You're cruising through dark streets, and instead of disappearing into the shadows, your bike becomes a beacon of light. The glow-in-the-dark feature enhances your visibility, making you stand out from cars, pedestrians, and other cyclists. Safety meets style in the most futuristic way possible. The Photon isn't all looks. It's powered by a high-torque motor that ensures a smooth, effortless ride, whether you're tackling hilly streets or breezing through city traffic. Its lightweight yet durable frame makes it perfect for both casual riders and serious commuters. And the stealth part? That's where it gets exciting. The bike is whisper quiet, letting you enjoy your ride without the mechanical hum of traditional ebike. What's better than 2 wheels? 3 wheels, especially when it's the Vuki e-trike. If you're someone who loves biking but struggles with balance or needs extra storage, this is the ultimate solution. Unlike traditional bikes or e-bikes, the Vuki brings unmatched stability, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned riders. One of its standout features is its powerful electric motor that takes the effort out of pedaling. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising long distances, the Vuki has your back. But what really sets it apart is its spacious cargo compartment. Groceries, camping gear, even your pet, the Vuki can carry it all without compromising on comfort or speed. The ergonomic design ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain, and its eco-friendly motor means you're saving the planet while enjoying the convenience. Who needs a bulky GPS on their handlebar when you can have navigation built into your sunglasses? Yes! The Bluecap Moto navigation sunglasses, a futuristic gadget that's perfect for cyclists and motorcyclists alike. Imagine cruising down a scenic road with real-time directions displayed right in your line of sight. No need to look down or lose focus on the road ahead. These sunglasses are more than just smart. They're also designed for comfort and protection. They feature polarized lenses to reduce glare, ensuring crystal clear vision even on the sunniest days. Plus, they're lightweight and sleek, so you won't even notice you're wearing them. The integrated navigation system is voice-activated, so you can control it hands-free. Whether you're exploring new trails or commuting to work, Bluecap Moto keeps you on track without distractions. It's like having a personal assistant on your ride, except this one fits in your pocket when you're done. When it comes to cycling, safety is non-negotiable, and the Virgo helmet takes it to a whole new level. Designed specifically for e-bike riders, this isn't an average helmet, it's a state-of-the-art safety system. E-bikes are faster than regular bikes, which means the risks are higher, and the Virgo helmet is built to handle that. What makes Virgo so special? For starters, it's packed with advanced safety tech. It features an integrated LED light system that ensures you're highly visible, whether you're riding during the day or at night. These lights aren't just flashy. They're strategically placed to provide 360-degree visibility, making sure drivers see you from every angle. But there's more. Virgo also has a built-in crash detection system. If you take a fall, the helmet automatically detects it and can send an emergency alert with your location to a designated contact. It's like having a guardian angel for your ride. On top of that, the helmet is aerodynamically designed, lightweight, and super comfortable, so you won't even feel like you're wearing it. Imagine locking up your bike in seconds with just the touch of your finger. That's exactly what the Walson fingerprint disc lock brings to the table. It's the world's smallest fingerprint disc lock, but don't let its size fool you. This thing is tough as nails. No more fumbling with keys or memorizing combinations. Walson uses biometric technology, so only your fingerprint, or those you authorize, can unlock it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's secure. Whether you're parking your bike in a busy urban area or outside a cafe, you can trust Walson to keep it safe. The lock is built from high-strength alloy, making it resistant to cutting and drilling. Plus, it's weatherproof, so rain, dust, or heat won't compromise its performance. And get this, it's rechargeable. A single charge lasts up to 3,000 unlocks, which means months of worry-free use. When you're riding at night, a reliable bike light is your best friend. Enter the Light Rail, the world's greatest bike light. It's a powerful lighting system that turns your ride into a runway. The Light Rail is all about innovation. It features a super bright, adjustable beam that can light up the darkest roads. Whether you're commuting through dimly lit streets or hitting rugged trails at night, this light gives you unmatched visibility. But it doesn't stop there. It also has a unique rail system that lets you adjust the light's position. On the go. Need to tilt it up or down? Done. It's USB rechargeable and lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge. No more wasting money on disposable batteries or worrying about your light dying mid-ride. The Light Rail is also water resistant, so rain or puddles won't stop you from staying safe and visible. If you thought your bike lights couldn't get any cooler, the side lights are here to blow your mind. These are the first bike lights to offer 360-degree visibility with a double beam system, ensuring you're seen from all angles, front, sides, and even the back. Side lights aren't just about visibility. They're about creating a safety bubble around you. The double beam design projects a clear path in front of you while also casting light to your sides, so cars and pedestrians can see you coming. This is especially crucial for city cycling, where unpredictable traffic is part of the deal. What's more, these lights are compact, easy to install, and weather-resistant. They're powered by a long-lasting battery, giving you hours of use on a single charge, whether you're riding in fog, rain, or total darkness. Side lights have your back, literally and figuratively. Flat tiers are every cyclist's nightmare. That's where the Nitecore ebike 10 Mini steps in, a brilliant 2-in-1 gadget that combines a portable air pump with a tire pressure gauge. Compact yet powerful, this little tool is your ultimate ride saver. Imagine this, you're out on a ride miles away from home, and suddenly your tire pressure dips. No worries. With the Nitecore ebike 10 Mini, you can reinflate your tires in seconds. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery that delivers rapid inflation without the hassle of manual pumping. Plus, it's strong enough to handle everything from bike tires to car tires and even basketballs. Livol Pika Boost 2, a genius gadget that converts your bike into an electric powerhouse in minutes. The Pika Boost 2 is all about simplicity. It's a lightweight, clip-on device that attaches directly to your bike frame. Once installed, it transforms your ride by adding a boost of power whenever you need it. Whether you're tackling steep hills or just want to give your legs a break, the Pika Boost has you covered. It's completely self-charging. While you ride, the device regenerates power, so you don't have to worry about finding a charging station or running out of battery. It's eco-friendly, efficient, and perfect for long-distance cyclists. The Pika Boost 2 also comes with smart features, including cruise control and an intelligent braking system. You can control the level of assistance through an app, allowing you to customize your ride experience. For thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts, the 2x2 Ultra Bike is the ultimate off-road adventure companion. This rugged e-bike is built to conquer any terrain, from rocky trails to sandy beaches and everything in between. What sets the 2x2 Ultra Bike apart? Its dual motor design provides incredible torque and power. Whether you're climbing steep hills or navigating tough terrain, this e-bike can handle it with ease. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, giving you stability and control in even the trickiest conditions. The bike features a robust aluminum frame that's lightweight yet durable. It's equipped with oversized, puncture-resistant tires that absorb shocks and deliver a smooth ride, even on the bumpiest trails. And with a battery that lasts up to 50 miles on a single charge, you can explore further without worrying about running out of juice.